Hello,
You guys,
Huma.
if there's somebody new joining us, just introduce yourselves, huh?
Hey Gaurav,
Very good
you,
questions from you.
you just
Hi,
joined in.
Uma.
You're saying
Hello.
something, but I can't hear you.
Uma, which are your upcoming
I could
movies
deal
and
with
why is
you.
the name of Love Shakti Chicken Khurana so unique?
Why is the name? Someone's asked us. Sayesh has asked us that why is the name of Love Shakti Chicken Khurana so unique? So there's a story behind it. You know, do you want to tell them? Because since Kunal has been involved with the film for like a really long time, and he was a bouncing board for all the ideas and milestones and
सर
everything. So the film was actually called
सर
Love
वेबकैम नहीं चालू अभी
Shakti
तक
Band
Band
Baja.
Baja. Well, the film was actually initially called Love Shakti Band Baja. And Love Shab is, in Punjab, everybody says Ishq, Wish, Khana Wana, Pyar, Vyar, everything is two words.
Chicken Vicken.
Chicken Wicken Khalo. So that's how Love Shab came about. And Love Shab is because
Good,
there's a lot of
good.
romance in the film. And Shab is also Lash. In Hindi, they say Shab, like a Lash.
It can also be the English shove, which is like shove
Shove
off,
as well.
like Huh.
So it's a
It's
it's a
a
lot of
triple
things.
meaning film.
And chicken khurana obviously is this magical recipe that the whole family is looking for. So that's how Love Shab the chicken khurana came about.
Hello, Huma.
Hi,
I'm Mahesh again.
hi Mahesh.
Can we expect Gangs of Wasseypur 3 from you?
Wow, I think you should ask that question to the director Anurag Kashyap whether he wants to make a Gangs of Wasseypur Part 3. I think Part 1, Part 2 से उनका पेट भर चुका है. So I don't think, as far as I know, there's going to be a Part 3. But yeah, you should always pass on that idea to him. You never know.
I think it's a little too late because Anurag has got domesticated now. He's making a film like Love Shab the chicken khurana,
Yeah.
which is a family film
वेबकैम
and has
એમનું નહીં
humor and is not
દેખાડતા
dark.
હમણાં
Yeah.
દેખાડતા
So I think Anurag Kashyap has now been domesticated, and I doubt you'll see a Gangs of Wasseypur
Part
now.
3, yeah. He'll make probably Love Shab the Chicken Khurana Part
Part
2.
2.
Yeah.
Then we can make Love Shab the paneer khurana film.
Yeah, actually. Paneer Khurana, Bhindi Khurana. You can even change the surname. Have Sehgal, Qureshi, Kapoor.
Qureshi.
Yeah.
Bhindi Qureshi.
Bhindi Qureshi. Can you imagine?
Love Shab the Bindi Qureshi.
Rajma Khurana.
Which is the best song you like, Huma?
From the film, I love this new song. It's I think the video is just released today. It's called Motel Wala. It's a really groovy track.
Okay.
You do it, na?
पढ़े की खावे असली तो बात कर शिट चिड़िया की भरना जा साफ कर के औकात रे दे दू मात रे छोर है दूंगा पटक.
And then it
Wow,
goes like,
great.
Well, it's a very cool song. You should just YouTube it right now and watch it as well. It's a really cool song.
Yeah, I really like it.
And both Kunal and I have done this really cool dance. We're trying to be really cool in the song. It's very different.
The video is just out today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uma, I wished I could date with you someday.
Sorry, what?
I wish I could date with you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You can date with her now. We'll all leave. We can date with you.
Back.
We can all leave the room for you.
No, but that's really sweet. Thank you. But it takes a lot of courage to say that in front of so many people.
Sure. Thank you.
While shooting the movie, which is the best part you enjoyed while acting?
Well, I can tell you it was a lot of fun making the film because the movie is about this mad Khurana family, and all the actors playing the mad characters were even crazier than the characters. So it was a mad bunch of people that came together to make this film. But what was not fun was eating all that food here. Because when you're doing a food film, you have to eat the same thing over and over again in take after take. So by the time you get to the 10th take, you don't want to look at that food and you have to make it look good. So there was one scene where me and Titu Mama, we ate 40 jalebis between us. And Titu Mama is convinced that he's got diabetes. And he doesn't want to look at jalebis for the rest of his life, and neither do I.
Uma, I am Rahul, an aspiring actor, and I want to know where did you learn to give the perfect expression and give perfect timing? I want to know from where did you learn?
Where I learned what?
Giving perfect expression and perfect timing in all your shots.
I don't know how to answer that. No,
She was
no.
born. She was born like that.
No, I don't give perfect timing in perfect shots. I think I've just directed very well. I get good actors to work with, so I think they just make me look good.
Such modesty.
Well, I was also born with it. No, but I'm glad you think so. Please keep watching all my films. I'd love to know what you think about Love Shop also. And you can follow me on Twitter. I'd love to know what you think.
Give me your contact number. I will reply with my
I'm sorry, I can't give you my contact number. But you can definitely follow me on Twitter. Oh, we got more questions here.
What is the meaning of kikli? Somebody wants to know what kikli means. Kikli is this thing that they do in Punjab. You know, it's like in Mumbai we call it phugdi. You know, where you haath pakad ke, you know, you go round and round.
Round.
That's what kikli is. So that's where the song comes from. It's actually an old folk song called Kikli Kalerdi. And Amit has taken the folk song and he's given it a spin. And he sort of reinvented the song. So kikli is this phugdi that you do. That's what kikli is. Did you play pranks on the set?
No, we didn't play any pranks. No masti we did. We were working very hard, है ना Kunal?
Yeah, it was a crazy set. I mean, there were lots of pranks that were played. I remember me and co-actor of mine called Bagga, Rahul Bagga. He plays my brother in the film called Jeet. And we pretended like we were drunk. And we started hitting on all the women and all the men on the set. So the women freaked out and the men got even more freaked out.
Kunal, I'm looking for a break in Bollywood. So, what should I do for the same?
What should you look for the same? Where are you? Which part of the world are you at actually?
I'm in Indore, MP.
First you have to come to Mumbai na, to get a break in Bollywood.
No, first he was in theatre. Why are you calling him to Mumbai?
No, I'm assuming that he's already an actor. Are you already an actor? Are you acting already?
I'm working in theatre, but I've not got a Bollywood break till now.
Who are you working with?
Hello?
Who are
I'm
you
working
working
in
with in
theatre
theatre?
in
Are
Indore
you
itself.
still
in
in
my
Indore?
city.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I want to ask you that at the end of the movie, do you get the recipe of chicken khurana?
That you'll have to watch.
Do you get the girl? Do you get the recipe? Do you become a good boy? All those answers you'll get to know at the end of the movie.
Yeah, you won't be disappointed. Don't worry, we won't take you on a wild goose chase and tell you that there's no chicken khurana. You'll know what the recipe is at the end of the film.
Do you like happy endings? Rashmi?
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
right.
this is a very, very happy one.
Yeah.
All the characters go home happy in this one. So I'm hoping the audience goes home happy as well. This one?
Yeah, he's saying, na? We can't hear him. Are you talking to us? What's his name? Oh, his mic's not working. Oh.
Uma,
I'm
in which
Gaurav.
theatre experience, Vasipur or
Hey Gaurav,
Gaurav, we can't hear you, but you can send, and we can see your lips moving.
but we can't hear you.
So you can send us, you can type in and send us your questions.
So in case you're asking us a question, we can't hear you.
We're very curious, and your hand is also on your mouth, so we can't even read your lips. Kunal can read lips.
Go on, Gaurav, go for it
say
now.
something.
Let's see if
Hi.
we can read your lips.
Let's also talk like that. Kunal.
Yeah, hi, Gaurav.
Kunal.
How are you?
Okay,
Okay,
write
write
on a piece of paper and
hold
show
it
it
up.
to us. So might be fun.
Gaurav, can you hear us?
You can hear us, I'm sure.
So can you write it on a piece of paper and just show
And
it,
just show it to
hold it
us,
up
like,
to
hold
us?
like a placard or whatever.
हाँ, पेपर मिलना हमेशा मुश्किल होता है घर पे.
पेन भी नहीं मिलता ना, पेन चल भी नहीं रहा.
जब पेन की भी जरूरत होती है तो वो भी नहीं मिलता.
जैसे हमारी फिल्म में
Try Burfi style.
सब ढूंढ रहे हैं. See?
लेकिन मिल जाती है.
किसकी वजह से?
You have nothing to do with finding the
Of
recipe.
course I do. I'm the reason.
Rubbish.
Of course. The
I love blue.
inherent inspired. Huh?
Dude, you know what it looks like? You're pointing to me right now. That's a little like scary.
Too much.
I know, but your finger was
Because
going
in
towards
this
me.
direction.
I love you.
We have more questions from
For you.
Ashok.
Eid Mubarak, how did you celebrate?
Eid Mubarak to you too, Asif. I wanted to go home and spend time with my family, but I have not really done anything on Eid. So Raat ko I planned to sort of celebrate it with my family and my brother and make something nice and eat something at home and get Eid also. This Eid has been a little alone because I'm not with my family and I'm missing them a lot.
Aww.
I know, but
Okay, there's a question for me.
I want to read out this question. I love this question. Okay, Rajni has sent this lovely question. Thank you, Rajni. Kunal, you are so tall, but you are lean. Why don't you beef up?
Why don't I beef up?
Good
अरे,
question.
मैं शर्ट उतारूं क्या?
हाँ.
दिखाऊं क्या?
Kunal.
Well, I'll beef up when the role requires it. I mean, if there's a role that comes up where I'm required to beef up, I'd be happy to do that. But right now, the roles I'm playing are guys that are really regular and normal. And, it'll be really strange to be a regular guy with like this big ass body. So when the role comes up, I'll beef up for sure.
But Kunal, why are you so tall? That is
Why am
also
I so tall? No, that's the question.
That is the main Buddha. And how important, Ashok is asked, is food in your life?
How important is food in our lives? Very important, yeah. I mean, also it's strange that in our country, where food is such an important part of our conversations in our lives, we've never had a film that's about food. So I was in Amritsar recently, and by the time you finish breakfast, they're already asking you what you're going to eat for lunch. By the time you're done with lunch, you're being asked, "Khane raat ko kya khaoge?" So we're always talking about food, and in a country like this, there's never been a film around food, which is rather strange.
Kunal,
आपकी डाइट लगता नहीं आपकी हेल्थ को देख के आप टाइप ऑफ पर्सन है.
Kunal कुछ नहीं खाते.
मैं हवा पे जीता हूँ भैया.
ये love and fresh air and protein shakes.
ये क्या है? ये
What is that? उल्टा पकड़ा हुआ है आपने. उल्टा है. अरे
equal.
उल्टा है. Equal, sequel.
Actually, हम भी उल्टा हो रहे हैं. Sequel to Gangs of Wasseypur.
नहीं क्या है ये? LEUQ. Sequel उल्टा.
Equal to what?
Sequel to what? Sequel to Love Shav? Yeah.
Equal to Wasseypur.
Sequel to Wasseypur तो मुश्किल है, but sequel to Love Shav बन सकता है. क्योंकि जैसे कुणाल ने बोला ना, हमारे जो प्रोड्यूसर है अनुराग कश्यप वो सुधर गए हैं, है ना? Good idea ना? We also agree. Love Shav पे चिकन खुराना और
नहीं,
Love
chicken
Shav
खुराना
पे
नहीं. It's
पनीर
like we
खुराना.
said, Love Shav the Bhindi Qureshi for the vegetarians.
Love Shav पे कोफ्ता कपूर.